website SSC Algebra question, and now I will run the code. I click on there. This is the website ID is open. And this answer is 6, and I can submit. So correct answer is 6. So my screen increase, but there is no shown. The next question submit. Correct answer is 7, and next question submit. I scored 2 and 3. My two answers are wrong, and every question explanation is given downward. So this is a website. Now I will explain the code to you. Flask import render template. This is all the library which is imported Flask, and this is the three questions which I have shown there. And these are HTML code, this is a head part, and this is a main title part, STR, this is a style part, and this is a questions, div tag. This is a logic part, absolute get and post. With get we can get the question, and get we can post the question. User index, feedback, explanation if request or method is post. The length of question length, request or answer, and keyword and x is like if the answer is correct is select, feedback correct, explanation question dot explain, which is the explanation of a given is upper word, and as you state render template. This is all the code of simple website of SSC Algebra question which I have made. Now I will upload the video on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can see the video on there.